So on this assignment, on this video, we'll take a look at how you actually take a test. So again, context. So you've done all the homework in chapter 4, and yesterday on Saturday you did the test prep, you did the written assignment, and you sent it to me, and now you're ready to take the test. So today's Sunday, you're ready to take the test. So what do? Sign into MyMathLab, and you work your way down to assignments again, and again you see all your assignments, but you can help yourself a little bit by doing quizzes and tests. And if you want to narrow things down, you can say chapter 4. You can see two things right there. So these are essentially two tests. To take the chapter 4 test, you have got to, let me show you, you have got to earn 80% on section 4.4, which is the last section of homework in chapter 4. So if you earn that 80% at least, that last section, chapter 4 test will open for you automatically. Access is granted. So just to show you what the test looks like, I'm going to click the link and I'm going to continue. That's just a warning for me as an instructor telling me that it's about to start. And I'm going to say start the test. And if I start the test, notice that when you start a test, what you don't have are the help me solve it and check if this is correct. So those are two things you don't have as you do a test. But beyond, so you would simply answer this question. You click this. I'm just going to get this wrong, but that's okay. I'm just going to click here and click there and save, and then move on to the next program, for example. And then once you're done with answering this test, you would submit the test. Now, by chance, if you get interrupted and you need to stop the test halfway through and come back to it at a later time, one thing you can do is do not submit the test. Instead, you could close this test right there. So if you X right there, then the test gets saved but not submitted. On the other hand, if you submit the test, then that's the end of it. You can't get at this attempt. Remember that you have 3 attempts to make 80% to move on. So you have to make sure that you use these attempts carefully to maximize your chance of success. And let's say you make 85 on that first attempt. It is possible for you to take it a second time and try to improve your grade. So keep that in mind. You have 3 chances to make that 80%, and so you don't want to squander your chances. You want to be careful with them and do well. That's it for taking the test. Oh, one other thing here, I guess before I go from here, this pretest. The pretest is the chance for you to sort of skip over all of chapter 4. So notice that there is no prerequisite for taking the pretest. You just come cold and take the pretest. If you do take the pretest and make 80% or better, you've got to let me know. And what I have to do at that point is transfer your pretest grade over to the test column. It doesn't happen automatically. The pretest is sort of a separate place. So if you do take a pretest and earn 80% or better, then you've got to email me and tell me, and I will transfer the grade over. That's it.